Whoa, what up, what's up? You already know the drill. Look, we're gonna get straight into it, man. Hitting y'all with another quick one. You see the black top, you got the red Jumpman. Around the side, you see you got the elephant print. Jumpman, smaller Jumpman on this side. Blank on this side. You got your Jumpman and your tag. What we have is the Air Jordan 3 Retro Knicks Rival. Now the colorway on this is white, Old Royal, University Orange, and Tech Gray. Now the paper on the inside, you had that same elephant print on the paper, but that ain't what we here to see, man. Let's get to the kicks, man. Here it is, the Air Jordan 3 Knicks Rivals. I'm feeling the shoe. I must say this straight out of the gate. I'm already a fan of that Knicks colorway. You know what I'm saying? So I'm feeling this without a doubt. You know what I'm saying? So y'all let me know what y'all think about these, man, in the comments. I already did an on foot of the video, but everybody was asking me to do a review or what happened to the review, so I got to bring that to y'all, man. Now, as we dig deep into the shoe, man, you know, you can make your decision on whether or not you want to cop these or not, man. Now, under the bottom, you see you have the Tech Gray, you got your Old Royal, and that Team Orange. As a look from the side. Here's the back. You see you got the blue Jumpman with the air. Nothing behind the pull tab. Here's your medial side. So you got your orange, royal blue, and white theme going all along the shoe, man. I think it's dope, man. I'm feeling it. There's your tongue. You see your Jumpman on the tongue. I mean, I think all in all it's a dope shoe, man. You see your orange hits all throughout the shoe, on your eyelets, on the tongue. I mean, I'm feeling it, man. Here's a look at the other shoe. Everything's the same, except this one has the pull tag on it. See, the pull tag has the clear outside. You got the orange on the inside with the royal blue Jumpman with the air. Now here's a look at the top. There's your tongue. There's your medial side. Here's your back. And here's your tag on the inside of the tongue. You have the 4-8-88. Now what this is reference to the virus game. When Jordan played with the stomach virus against the Knicks, he scored 47 points and they won the game. So go ahead and figure with that, you dig? That's a nice little touch on it, yeah. Again, you can see how they came with the leather. I mean, I think the leather is nice. I don't think it's the best, but I think it's pretty good. It's nice and soft too, so if that's what you're into, man, you might be looking to pick these up, man. Start getting them chips ready. You feel me? Now, like I said, these release, what is it, September the 14th? I don't know if it's going to be a general release, kind of limited, quick strike. I don't know what, you know, but anyway, y'all go ahead and follow us on Instagram at PellersAv504. Subscribe to this channel. Let's get into this on foot, and I'ma holler back.